So students, we are going to discuss the behavior of the cost, that is your total fixed cost, total variable cost and total cost in the short run. Remember that we are focusing upon the short run only. And what is the short run? In the short run, the output depends upon the factors, a constant factor and a variable factor. Since we have taken two input model and we have assumed that capital is constant and labor is variable. Alright, now we will study what happens. See the output level of the producer at zero output level. Zero output level means the producer is producing nothing. The factory is shut down. Okay, the factory is shut down. The producer is producing nothing, or you can say the shop is shut down. But he or she has to incur this total fixed cost. I have told you that in the short run, since the fixed factors cannot be thrown out. Alright, the fixed factors in the short run cannot be thrown out. That is why the producer has to incur total fixed cost even at the zero output. Even he is not earning anything, even he is not producing anything, but he has to incur total fixed cost. Let's take example of a shop that is shut down from 2 months. And that shop is a rented shop. एक शॉप है वो 2 महीने से बंद है, ऑलराइट, और वो रेंटेड शॉप है और उससे कोई भी रेवेन्यू नहीं आ रहा है, शॉपकीपर को जीरो रेवेन्यू आ रहा है बिकॉज दैट शॉप इज नॉट ओपनिंग. तो क्या ऐसा होगा कि वो रेंट भी नहीं पे करेगा? No, it cannot happen. All the fixed cost of the production has to be incurred. The salary to the permanent employee, the rent, the interest, all these things, the premium, the insurance premium, all these things cannot be avoided. That is why even at zero output, there is a positive total fixed cost. And total fixed cost will remain constant in the short run because your fixed factor is constant. Fixed factors cannot be increased, neither can they be increased nor they can be decreased in the short run. That is why your total fixed cost will also remain constant with irrespective of the output level. चाहे output 1 unit हो, 2 unit हो, 3 unit हो, 4, 5, 6 कुछ भी हो, 0 हो, total fixed cost will remain constant. So 2 questions have been answered. First question, why total fixed cost is positive at 0 level of output? Your answer is total fixed cost is positive at the 0 level of output because in the short run the producer cannot throw away the fixed factors and he has to incur those fixed costs. And why it is constant all through? Because in the short run the fixed factors are constant. That is why your total fixed cost will also remain constant. The expenditure that the firm is incurring on fixed cost on fixed factors will also remain constant. So now 2 questions have been answered of TFC. Alright, 2 questions. Now coming on to TVC, that is your total variable cost. I have told you variable cost is something which is incurred on the purchase of variable factors. For example, the wages paid by to the laborers, the payment made for the raw materials, all these are your variable factors. But see one thing, your variable cost is 0 when the output is 0. That means when the firm is in the shutdown position, when nothing is being produced, your total variable cost will also remain 0. Why? Because if the shop is closed, there will be no labor, there will be no raw material and else. Thus, at 0 level of output, the total variable cost is 0 because no variable factor will be employed. जब 0 आउटपुट है तो कोई भी प्रोड्यूसर वेरिएबल फैक्टर को क्यों एम्प्लॉय करेगा, कोई लेबर को क्यों रखेगा, क्यों रॉ मटेरियल परचेज करेगा? जब वो प्रोडक्शन करेगा तभी तो परचेज करेगा. That is why at the 0 level of output your total variable cost is zero, because when the producer is producing nothing, he will not employ any of the variable factor. So 2 questions answered here, 1 question answered over here, that why TVC is 0 at the 0 level of output. 3 questions done. Now coming to total cost. How this total cost has been calculated? I have told you that total cost is nothing but the addition of total fixed cost plus total variable cost. That means when you will add total fixed cost and total variable cost, you will get total cost. Alright, this is how you can get your total cost by adding TFC and TVC. Okay, this you all know. And see, let us see what is happening at the 0 level of output. What is the behavior of TFC, TVC and TC at 0 level of output? This is very important. I have told you that 0 level of output, TFC will remain constant and it will remain positive. Why? Because in the short run, the producer cannot throw away the fixed factors. And your total variable cost will remain 0, because when the producer is producing nothing, he would not employ any of the variable factors simply. But your total cost is also positive. So a question arises, why total cost is positive at 0 level of output? Or you can say, why total cost is equals to total fixed cost at 0 level of output? This is just a simple mathematical thing that we have to understand.